Improving grammar through online self-learning activities. Content, flexible and convenient learning, access to a wide range of resources, immediate feedback and error correction, personalized and adaptive learning. Conclusion. Introduction. Online self-learning activities have become one of the most effective ways to improve grammar skills in today's digital age. With the available of reasons on the internet, learners can now take full controls of their grammar journey. Flexible and convenient learning. Online platforms allow learners to study grammar at any time and from any location. This flexibility is especially beneficial for students or working individuals who may not have time for traditional classes. Example, students can practice grammar exercise at night after school or during a lunch break using a mobile device. Access to a wide range of resources. There are Never's website, mobile apps, YouTube channel, and interactive tools that offer grammar lessons, practice games, and video to tutorials. Immediate feedback and error correction. Many online grammar platforms provide instant feedback. This helps learners understand their mistake right away and learns the correct use. Example, online quiz that show the correct answer immediately after you submit your response. Personalized and adaptive learning. Advanced e-learning tools can track learners' progress and adjust the levels of difficulty based on their performance. This personalized approach ensures that students are always learning at a suitable pace and focusing on their weak area. Example, a learner who struggles with sentences will be given more tenses-related activity by the platform. Conclusion. In conclusion, online self-learning activities offer a powerful and accessible way to improve grammar. They provide flexible, never connect, immediate feedback, and force dependence, all of which are for mastering grammar effectively in digital world. Thank you for listening.